Alright guys, so I'm going to show you today how to make your own subwoofer cables. What I'm using is coax RG6, and you start with the bare wire like this, and you need a couple tools. You need your stripper and you need a compression tool. The way it works is you take your stripper, and this is designed specifically for coax. See how it has a little demonstration on there? Mine's kind of worn out because I've been using it for years, but if you put your cable into there like this and then you spin it 3 times, it'll put in little splice marks, cuts it perfect. So now you take your outer shielding off, which should come off in 2 pieces. Then it gives you the next part with it, which is your stranded area of the cable, and you just kind of peel those back evenly so that the fitting can slide right over. And what happens is it slides in between this foil and the strands and the rubber, so that it makes a like an in-between area where whenever you go to press it on, it actually firmly is planted. Now we're going to take our fitting next, and we're going to take the center conductor and we're going to insert it into this little hole like that, and then I'm going to push down on it, give it kind of a little bit of a wiggle to make sure it's in there good, and kind of push up on it, not too much but just a little bit to make sure that it's all the way in there. And then take your tip off, and you're then gonna take your compression tool, insert it right into the hole like this, and then compress it down. And now if you push up, the fitting is solid. The brand that I'm using is Belden, and we pretty much make all of our own cables for theater rooms just because it's too hard to guess at what length we need, and then we end up coming up short or too long. This is quick and easy, and it's actually pretty affordable. If you guys would like us to do a theater room for you and you live in the Dallas area, we'd be happy to. We also ship products nationwide, so make sure to subscribe down below to our video. Thanks for watching. This is Zach for Dreamedia Home Theater.